If you're not using these free Google tools as a business person, then you are missing out on a lot. Now, every business needs to make decisions based on existing data, and some of the most important tools that you can use to track this information is provided by Google. Now, these three tools include Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and Google Merchant Center. The third one might be only used mostly by people who sell actual products, because it is mostly preferred for listing products free on Google without running ads. Now this one will explain like in depth in a different video, but I just give a simple overview of it. Now, beginning with Google Analytics, when you are somebody who values the data that is related to the kind of customers they're selling to, then the first tool that you should be thinking about using is Google Analytics. Analytics allows you collect user information from the time they land on your site to the time they either make a conversion or disappear. And it is important also because you can use this same information to run ads through a process called like remarketing. So you want to make sure that your business has a Google Analytics account, it is linked to your site, and you're tracking some of the most important metrics. Now, there are very many things that you need to learn about Google Analytics as a service on its own, but we are not going to talk about all of it in this video. But just to understand, it gives you basic information like the source of your traffic, the behavior of a specific visitor on your website, and how long they take on that website. So some of these metrics will be discussed later in a video specifically dedicated to Google Analytics. Number two, we have Google Search Console. Now, Search Console allows you to track the health of your website, look at the links of your website, look at things like if you have broken links, you look at indexing. Are your products or services appearing on Google search, or are they not? Do you have like a better experience on mobile devices for your users? Does your site pass the web vitals? Do you have redirects, too many redirects that might affect performance or conversions? So you must make sure that you use Google Search Console on your site. You just need to have a Google account, sign up, link it through the provided options. You can use HTML. Now, these are things that you'll get to see once you create a Google Search Console account, and then you can create a sitemap, something we'll discuss again later, and then you can link it on your site. And just as easy as that, you'll have all the links on your website indexed on Google. Now, once these are indexed, they are regularly updated based on the changes that you make on the website. Now, these updates are automatic, and it can really help you track the behavior of links on your website and the performance of these web links also, and your products if you're selling physical products. Now, this can be used by both somebody doing e-commerce, physical products, and e-commerce services. The third thing, like we said, is Google Merchant Center, and again, this only applies or mainly applies to people who sell products. It allows you free listing. If you've been running Google ads for products, then you've not set up Google Merchant Center, then you're missing out on that free traffic that could later lead to conversion. So you want to make sure that you set up Google Merchant Center. Now, for all these three things, we are going to create videos that go into in-depth explanation and implementation. We also show you like a step-by-step guide on each one of them, how to set them up and link them to your service or product website.